Hello and welcome to my channel. I just got back from Santorini and I wanted to share with you all my experience staying at the Andronis, there we go, maybe, hotel in Santorini. So if you're looking for a place to stay tuned. First things first, I would recommend staying in the town of Ia if scenic views are important to you. This is where everything that you've seen on the internet is located, like the blue domes and the volcanoes in the distance. I chose to stay at the Andronis Boutique Hotel because all their rooms included a private pool or hot tub, and they have rooms at different price points. Plus, they have multiple hotels on the island, so as long as you stay at one, you can use the amenities of all. Let me show you the room. Before we arrived, we worked with the concierge to fill out a survey on our preferences for pillow types, room fragrances, and luxury toiletry brands. We also booked their car service, so we were picked up from the airport in a Tesla. During our stay, we enjoyed welcome refreshments, the breakfast that was included, our private hot tub, and their delicious sangria. There's a lot more amenities than this, so just check out their website to learn more about what they have to offer. I had a friend who stayed at a different hotel. When we were doing our bookings, I think she only looked at the highest tier at Andronis and didn't realize they have more options, so she thought it was out of her price range. But in reality, we paid pretty much the same amount, but there were many things that were better at my hotel, like the amenities, safer stairs, a more private patio, better views, and the ease of communicating with hotel staff. We had a reception desk and we also had an app that we can communicate through. Her hotel did have a small kitchen and two bedrooms, so it would be more economical if you were splitting the cost with someone and you plan to eat in more. I'll put the name and the link in the details if you're interested in that. The only negative I found about Andronis was their lack of diversity in their marketing. When I was researching, I couldn't find a single person of color. This didn't affect our stay. As Black people, we did feel welcome at our hotel. But just in case someone from the company watches this video, do better. I would highly recommend this hotel. They went above and beyond to make our stay special. I was given a generous room upgrade. They called one morning to make sure that we didn't miss breakfast because they noticed that we usually come to breakfast, and that morning we hadn't gotten there and it was close to time for breakfast to end. On my birthday, they surprised me with a cake. So again, guys, I fully enjoyed my stay. If you're interested in learning more about my trip to Greece or just travel tips in general, be sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I drop new content.